More than 1 billion people visit Reddit each month, making it one of the most well-known websites in the world. Nevertheless, it still keeps a low profile in comparison to some of the platforms it outperforms in terms of traffic, such as Pinterest and LinkedIn, while having a sizable following. Reddit has expanded steadily since its debut in 2005, while many competing networks have vanished. Reddit, which has more than 100,000 groups or subreddits, covers almost every subject conceivable. Now, this is good news because you can make money from any platform where you can find a lot of people. Although you can't presently earn money directly on Reddit that might change in the future. According to Reddit CEO Steve Huffman, the website might adopt a strategy akin to that of the game platform Roblox, where users can make money on the platform from one another. Right now, finding revenue-generating opportunities on Reddit means leveraging its forums or communities, and I'm going to be showing you how to do this in today's video. We'll bring to you a few strategies to help you monetize Reddit. Welcome to Flores Online Explains. Subscribe to my channel for more information, explanations, and tips to make money online. Don't forget to press the like button and the notification bell. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, let us define what a subreddit is, and this is how you can make money from Reddit. A subreddit is a specific online community and the posts associated with it on the social media website Reddit. On the social media website Reddit, a subreddit is a specific online community and the postings that belong to it. Subreddits are solely dedicated to particular communities where individuals write about certain topics. They are identified by R, and the name of the subreddit, for example, R Gaming. To start utilizing these subreddits, you only need to search for them and subscribe to them. So what are the top subreddits for earning money? There are numerous Reddit subreddits where people post and discuss ways to generate money. Communities like R Freelance and R WorkOnline cast a wide net and give members the chance to discuss and understand a range of internet income options. We're going to spotlight a few particular subreddits that take a more specialized approach. In addition to those general forums, you might find that some of these communities are the best places to look for chances. Number 1. R Design Jobs for visual designers. For graphic designers and those wishing to recruit designers, there is a forum on Reddit called Design Jobs. Community members can publish information about the position they're looking to fill, and designers can post information about their availability and the services they offer. The majority of entries at the moment are made by designers looking for work, but new positions are frequently posted. The majority of the positions include graphic design work, such as developing a logo or making product packaging. Finding clients in the early stages of starting a freelance business before you begin to develop word-of-mouth referrals is one of the most difficult aspects of the process. It might be possible to obtain work and develop experience via our design jobs. You should find legitimate paid jobs here because the community moderators have established restrictions against bartering and design competitions based on speculative work. Of course, you can also advertise your availability and solicit business from users who are perusing the subreddit. Number 2, R Slave Labor for Micro Jobs. R Slave Labor is a community where you can discover minor activities that pay very little money, as implied by the community's tongue-in-cheek name. You shouldn't anticipate becoming wealthy because this subreddit's description states that get jobs done well below market rate. Data input, graphic design, writing, and other tasks are among them. Despite concentrating on straightforward, low-paying jobs, slave labor can be unexpected, useful in the proper circumstances. Although it takes the shape of a Reddit community, it is comparable to other microtasking websites like Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Members of the community can post job openings if they're trying to hire someone, and people who want to work for pay can bid on those jobs or publish their availability and what they can offer. If you're interested in the task, you can directly bid on posts using the subreddit's simple bidding system. Since the tasks on our slave labor pay so little, it would be simple to dismiss them. Yet the income for many of these gigs is on par with or higher than what you can get on the majority of other microtasking websites. So even though your earning potential is constrained, this can be the perfect chance for you if you want to earn a little additional cash in your leisure time. There aren't many obstacles in your path because the work is straightforward, and most of the chores are doable by just about everyone. You may search for options whenever you have the time, and it is also very versatile. Number 3, R Beer Money. For online tasks and rewards, it's easy to find quick ways to make additional money. For beer or anything else, you can make up to a few $100s each month in the vibrant community of R Beer Money. Beer Money is a great place to locate online surveys, passive income apps, sign-up bonuses, paid reviews, and other simple methods, all to make additional money online. Whereas Slave Labor concentrates on tiny jobs. The greatest place on Reddit to uncover these chances is Beer Money, which lists numerous methods to make tiny sums of extra money online. There are consistently huge opportunities highlighted there, with multiple new articles every day. The Beer Money community conversations are useful in addition to identifying opportunities. For instance, you'll see discussions started by users seeking opinions and suggestions from other users or inquiring as to the legitimacy of a particular website or software. Of course, you're welcome to start your topic and ask for assistance from the group. In general, Beer Money is great for those that frequently participate in the community and want to make a little extra money each month with little to no work. Number 4. Jobs for Bitcoin for earning cryptocurrency. Jobs for Bitcoin is a job board where you can find opportunities to earn Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. A job specifications can be posted by someone wishing to hire someone, and a services specifications and hourly rate can be posted by someone looking to earn money. Currently, there are more entries from people trying to make money than there are from companies hiring, but fresh job openings are uploaded almost every day, even though the roles come in all different forms and sizes. Working with blockchain or cryptocurrency technology is a common one. In this forum, social media jobs are also common. The job postings are legitimate opportunities, and frequently they provide the chance to earn more money, especially for lesser work than you might with the subreddits mentioned before now. You have the option to ask for a middleman to handle your transaction, which is one of this community's distinctive features. The regulators have approved several middlemen to safeguard both parties and thwart fraud. If you've been the victim of a scam or middleman, you can also report them. Overall, the community makes every effort to confirm the legitimacy of members and opportunities. Number 5. Hire a writer for writers. One of the finest ways to earn money on Reddit is by freelancing as a writer, but it can be difficult to acquire clients. In essence, Hire a Writer is a job board for writers with different levels of expertise. Opportunities for beginning, general, or experienced writers can be posted by clients. Additionally, writers can list their availability and areas of specialization. For a few reasons, Hire a Writer stands out as a top source. A pay rate is required for all roles. You won't waste time looking for jobs that pay less than what you want to make because you'll always know how much you can make from a project. There are minimum pay levels. Entry-level tasks must pay at least 5 cents per word, general jobs at least 10 cents per word, and advanced jobs at least 15 cents per word to be posted to the community. Even while these figures aren't particularly high, they are much more than the prices charged by many popular sites and are sufficient to make a good life. Even though there are now more postings from writers looking for a job than ones from businesses wishing to hire, the community is still lively. Still, if you're a freelance writer or an aspiring freelance writer, there are many new opportunities listed there, and it's worth your time. There are various ways to make use of Reddit and its communities to earn some cash, even though it's not yet visible to do directly. We've covered a few of the top and busiest subreddits in this video. Subreddits exist particularly to assist users in finding revenue opportunities of various kinds. You must engage in frequent activity and turn into a valuable member of the community if you want the best outcomes. If other users believe you are solely using the site for your gain, it will be difficult to interact, so make an effort to give back to the community. Was the video insightful to you? Which way of making money on Reddit do you look forward to doing? Or which one have you been doing all this while? Comment down below.